So guys, I am not using any adhesive. I'm just using my wig grip, and I'm just going to lay some baby hairs and style this wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just back to do a updated final review on this wig. Okay, so this wig comes from, I'm reading specs off my phone. This wig comes from SuperNova Hair Company. I do have it in a natural black. It's a lace frontal wig, and it is 22 inches. Okay, so, and sorry if I sound a little down in this video. I'm really not feeling good. So anyways guys, this is the wig. So I've been playing around with it, kind of getting a feel for it and everything. Like I said in my first video, I really do like SuperNova Hair Company. I like the hair, I like the customer service. Just like the other times that I have reviewed their hair, I've always had a good experience. I just always have. With this wig though, I like the wig, I like the hair on the wig, but as I stated in my first video, the frontal was really hard to work with. The frontal, it is a full wig, but I'm saying the frontal part of it, it was hard to work with. It was very thick, it was not pre-plucked, and it did not come with baby hairs. So it's not a beginner friendly wig, as I stated, and I am going to stick with that. Another thing that I did find out after kind of playing around with the hair, this hair doesn't really hold a curl well. So if you are going to curl it, make sure you use some kind of holding spray. I used some of this, which whenever you do curls, I suggest using a holding spray anyway. But with this hair, if you do want your curls to last for a while, then definitely use some kind of holding spray while you're curling it. When you get done, spray the whole head with holding spray, because it's like the hair is pretty silky, so it doesn't really hold a curl. Okay, so yeah, this is what my part looks like. You get pretty okay parting. I would like for the parting to go back a little bit further, but you get okay parting. That's about average amount of parting. So that's the parting right there. I did create baby hairs, and I also did put this wig on just with a wig grip, no adhesive or anything like that. So I just got a wig grip, and I just laid my my frontal down. I don't have an elastic band in the back or anything like that. It's just a wig grip. So this is what the hair looks like. Okay, it's very pretty. Let me get up so y'all kind of see what it looks like up close. And I do have a lot of holding spray in it, so that is that shiny stuff that you see. So the texture of the hair is really nice. I do like the density of the hair. It is a nice natural like density. It's not super full, but it's not thin either. It is a natural pretty density. Let me bring it all to the front for you. So this is the hair. This is the hair all to the front. Okay, so you see that it looks really nice. Let me stand up a bit so y'all can kind of see the curls. I'm 5'7", and this is where the 22 inch falls on me. It almost falls kind of like a 24 inch kind of, but yeah, I'm really liking the hair. Like I said, I like SuperNova hair. I've always had a good experience with it. It's just this wig in particular, I just, like I said, it was just too hard to work with the frontal piece of it, and I didn't really like that. But I would definitely recommend the company. I really would. I love the company. You can go back and watch all the rest of my SuperNova reviews. I love their hair. I'm in love with their hair. It's a good price, and it's nice quality hair that will last you for a long time. You will get your bang for your buck with this company, and like I said, I can definitely vouch for that. All the information will be down below. I can't really keep my hands out of it because it's really pretty. But yeah, all the information will be down below. I would suggest that you all check it out. If you want to check out this wig, why I give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, I would give it a thumbs up and in between, just in between, because if you are a first time wig wearer, it may be a little bit difficult for you to manipulate the wig and get it to lay flat and just get it to lay the way that you want it. But if you feel like you are experienced and that you can take on like manipulating this wig, then great. Not to say that they probably won't, you know, fix the density on the hairlines and kind of pre-pluck it and give you some baby hairs, and they might maybe in the future, but as of right now it is a lot of work. But the hair is super gorgeous and I love it. So take that for what it is, guys, and yeah, I'll definitely see y'all in my next one. Questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below.